So in this video we're just gonna be making a pineapple, apple, and ginger juice. It's pretty simple, yet it's pretty good for your immune system. Let us know in the comments if you ever tried it, or if you're gonna try making it at home. And also, if you're new to this channel, you should know that those are not my hands, those are my boyfriend's. I normally record everything and he's the one that cuts everything. So yeah. He needs to cut a little more faster, honestly. If you made it to the end of this video, thank you so much. If you want to see more videos of us making more juices, just let us know in the comments.